In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Evernote Desktop. Once you've opened the desktop app, look to the left sidebar and start at Home. Home is your dashboard. It pulls together your most recent notes, your pinned or important items, and a quick snapshot of upcoming tasks. Use it as a landing page to see where you left off and what needs attention. Next, head into Notes. This is the heart of Evernote. To create a new note, click the small plus sign next to Notes. Give your note a clear title, and start typing in the editor. You'll see a formatting bar that lets you add headings, checklists, and more, so your ideas are easy to scan later. As you edit, remember that Evernote saves automatically, so you can focus on writing rather than managing versions. Switch over to Tasks to capture action items right inside your workspace. Add a new task, then feel free to include details like due dates or reminders so nothing slips through the cracks. Because tasks live alongside your notes, you can keep the context and the to-dos together. Open Files to view the documents you've attached to notes. This view helps you quickly find PDFs, images, or other files without digging through every notebook. If you work with lots of attachments, consider using consistent file names so search is even faster. Click Calendar to see your schedule next to your notes and tasks. Planning content, meetings, or study sessions becomes smoother when your time blocks sit alongside the materials you'll use. Explore templates to jumpstart common workflows. Whether you're planning a project or outlining meeting minutes, starting from a template gives your notes structure and saves setup time. Finally, visit Notebooks. Think of notebooks as containers for related notes, projects, clients, classes, or personal categories. Organizing notes into the right notebook keeps everything tidy and easy to navigate. That's the core flow: Home, Notes, Tasks, Files, Calendar, Templates, and Notebooks. Follow it, and Evernote becomes a flexible hub for everything you need to remember and get done.